Hi, this is Linz from Sweet Natured, and today we're having a look at what to wear while on Cunard. As always, I'm joined by Marky.
Hello.
Hello, who put the video together, and this is my first time watching, so let's see what we can see.
So today, Linz, we're going to take a look at what to wear on a Cunard cruise.
Because that bothers people.
It does. It's the question we get asked from the most people who've never been on one, and it was a question we had of just how formal is formal.
I don't
and
look
how
very
casual is casual. You're not too sure in that particular bit.
No.
And we're going to have a look at sort of the daytime, because it's very different. The daytime on Cunard, the evening, and how it compares to other cruise lines. So let's start off with daytime.
Yes.
Casual and poolside. And you can see from when you first get on Cunard.
That gentleman's got jeans on.
He has. There's people in tracksuits and trainers. It's very, very relaxed. I imagined before we went on, I don't know if you were the same, that I was getting on and everyone were in suits and ties and dinner dresses.
Dinner dresses?
Well, maybe not a dinner dress at that time, but not tracksuits and trainers.
No, and that's the impression people get, that you have to be fancy.
All of the time.
All of the time.
And the reality is, as you can see during the day here...
He's got a baseball cap on.
He has got a baseball cap on. I'm not sure that's an approved Cunard attire. Maybe. But the reality is, during the day, you can wear within reason whatever you want on, as you would on any other ship. It literally felt no different to me to any other cruise line.
No, as long as I would say you were covered up. There wasn't a lot of flesh.
Apart from if you buy the pool.
Yes.
But inside, they don't want you to wear swim shorts or anything like that at
No,
the buffet or
and there's
anything like that.
there's no crop tops or anything like that if you're on a younger ship.
No, but to be honest, there isn't on other cruise lines. You wouldn't see someone going into swimwear on
It's
Virgin
not
or
allowed.
P&O or
No,
something like that
it's just
into a
not
restaurant.
allowed. It's not allowed.
No. So actually, during the day, it's exactly the same as any other cruise ship.
Yes.
I didn't see people dressing up anymore. I didn't see them dressing down anymore.
No.
So you can wear what you want. And I say, just wear what's comfortable. We have had people ask, do we have to put more formal attire on to go up to the pool and get changed up there? No, get your swim gear on, put a robe on if you want to do, and walk up from your stateroom to the pool.
Yes, it was. Yeah, it was just like, I would say, most cruise lines.
Yeah, it's got the sort of more formally bits like the afternoon tea and stuff. But everyone who's having the afternoon tea,
I didn't feel dressed up enough for afternoon tea, if I'm quite honest.
Did
But
you
but it was also gala night, so I like to feel fancier, so I get ready. I don't.
earlier in the day.
I
But that was only 3 o'clock.
Yeah, I feel I should have made more of an effort.
But nobody else had.
No, but now I look at it, I think, lady,
You
at
look
least
back thinking that you wanted to dress up more
I
than
feel-
you had to dress up
I
more.
feel I should have at least put some lipstick on.
And I think that's one of the big things for Cunard, and we'll talk about it as we go through. It isn't so much that you have to dress up, it's that people want to dress up.
Yes.
And I think that's a big sort of key difference. Lens, would you like to take a second and invite people to subscribe?
I would like to invite people to subscribe. I realise that you need to do some things with the buttons, and it can be faffy, but thank you, and thank you if you've subscribed already. It really means a lot. Thank you.
Next, we're going to take a look at Cunard on a non-celebration evening. Around the ship, restaurants, buffets. Because there is a big difference when it's not a celebration night.
That's true. But you still have to wear trousers.
Now, Cunard tell you, in an evening, they would like you to wear a dress shirt with trousers.
So no t-shirts.
No t-shirts. But as you can see there, there's people in t-shirts, polo shirts.
Yes.
Basically, there is a guideline,
Yeah.
but they don't enforce it.
No.
Not on
no.
non-formal nights, at least.
No.
Now, a lot of the evenings when we went out, we'd put a shirt on, maybe a jacket.
What am I doing with that crisp?
You were enjoying that crisp by the look of it.
Oh, goodness.
But we never felt that we needed to wear a tie.
I didn't feel I needed to wear a tie.
No, I never felt like I needed to wear a tie. But my preconception before we went on was that I would be expected to wear a tie every night, and I hate wearing ties.
I know you do. I know you do.
So on the non-formal nights, wear what you're comfortable with. If you're going into the restaurants, as opposed to the buffet, they do ask you to wear a dress shirt. But other than that, you don't have to wear a jacket. I had a jacket on there.
I love you in a jacket.
Thank you. But you don't have to.
No.
And as you can see, you're there. You're looking very, very Smart. Is smart the right word?
I don't know. I'm not loving that
pretty.
frock now.
But in the buffet in an early evening and late in the evening, we'd see people going in there in jeans and
Jeans.
t-shirts. Now, officially, they say you're not
Jeans
supposed
are
to wear
illegal,
jeans
yeah.
in an evening.
Yes.
But the reality is you do.
Yeah.
Now, formal nights is a different thing. Mm-hmm. They give you a little description. You get it the night before, what's going on during the day and what happens in the evening.
We were actually told before we got on the ship, don't we? So we know what to pack.
Yeah, because there's 4 different types of celebration nights. There's black and white.
Yeah.
There's the Roaring Twenties, which we had. There's the red and gold.
Yes.
And a masquerade.
Yeah, I don't know how I'd feel about the masquerade. It feels a little bit eyes wide shut for me.
As you can see from there, that was the 20s night. So you do get glammed up a little bit. The black and white night, where
A little bit.
A lot. And we said it before that people want to get dressed up as
Yes.
opposed to are being told to.
Yeah.
And no Cunard videos complete without
The bread.
seeing the bread. But bread with fancy clothes.
Yeah.
But people do. It is part of the attraction of going
Yeah,
out.
and everybody's really lovely as well.
I mean, another way to look at it, if people are maybe not into that, is it's kind of cosplay on a cruise.
Having watched Comic-Con, I kind of get where you're coming from.
But how does it compare to others? So let's take a look at P&O first of all. And
Yeah.
as you can see that we're wearing very similar things on their
Yeah,
sort of
I
gala
would wear that
evenings.
dress. I'd wear that dress on Cunard.
People in an evening when they were going out to the restaurants were still getting dressed up.
Yes.
They were wearing shirts and jackets.
Yeah.
It wasn't really any different.
No.
There's just an expectation during the day.
Hat.
Same casual wear as well. So is it really that different?
I
Or
don't
is
know.
it more...
The reputation.
Yeah, and I think it is.
There's a psychology behind it that it must be fancy.
It is. But I could have wore that shirt there when I went for afternoon tea in Cunard. I didn't, but I could have done.
Yeah. Yeah.
And in an evening, I said that what you wore there is perfectly acceptable in any of the Cunard restaurants as well.
I was thinking it was in the buffet there.
If you take a look at Virgin, now Virgin you would describe as the polar opposite to Cunard in every way.
Yes.
But during the day, people are in the t-shirts, the jeans, the casual wear.
Yeah.
Exactly the same. In an evening, you're not wearing tuxedos or dinner jackets,
No.
but people are wearing very fancy clothes.
But there was skin on show on that. There was a lot of, strappy numbers.
They were, but not, you wouldn't describe them as sort of cheap clothes. People
Oh,
were
goodness.
really
No.
dressing
Oh,
up.
no.
You know, people were really going to town on it, just in a different way.
Yes. More nightclubbing, I felt, than dinner.
Yeah. But again, even on Virgin, you go into the restaurant, you can see behind there's people in the same sort of outfits that you'd be wearing in an evening
On Cunard. Yeah.
So it's this reputation that
It's got, yeah, which we bought into for the longest time.
And a lot of people have, and that's the questions that we've had, which is why we're doing this video of, what to wear. And the reality is, whatever you would on any other
That's
cruise
not
ship.
Cunard. That's not a Cunard dress.
No,
but it's a
that-
very Virgin
that was
dress.
Virgin. Yeah, absolutely. But our final thoughts on Cunard is, it is a little bit more formal dress than other cruise lines.
Yes.
On the formal nights.
Uh-huh.
But the reality is, not that much. Most
No.
of the time, it's just as relaxed.
There was-
That shirt there
Yeah.
I've got on in the pub. So you can wear whatever you fancy.
I did buy a couple of new outfits for their specific gala nights.
But
But
other than that, everything else is what you would wear on.
you
any
have to
other
look at the
cruise ship.
videos. I've got the same frocks on, so it's like...
But basically, wear what you fancy. Enjoy it. Don't feel that you have to put a suit on to go to the pool.
No.
Put your swimwear on, just
On the
relax
pool.
and have a good time. And that's the end of another video.
Oh, cheers, Maggie.
Cheers, Linz.
And thanks for watching and have a lovely day.